Have you ever wondered which meats are best for managing diabetes? Living with diabetes means making thoughtful choices about your diet, particularly when it comes to protein intake. While it's essential to enjoy a variety of foods, not all meats are created equal. Today, we're diving into most important topic of top 7 best meats for diabetics you should eat to lower blood sugar, where we bring you the best tips for a healthier, happier life. If you are interested in this topic type, I am ready in the comment right now. Just comment, I am ready. When I see your comment, I'll give you a heart. And if you want to support the channel, leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and really helps the channel grow. And if you have any experiences and recommendations, I will love to read them in the comments below. Let's get started. Number 1, skinless chicken breast. Chicken is one of the most versatile and nutritious protein sources, making it an excellent choice for managing diabetes. Skinless chicken breast in particular is low in saturated fats and calories, making it a heart-healthy option. It is packed with lean protein, which helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates. This also helps keep you full for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on less healthy options. When preparing chicken breast, avoid frying it, as this adds unnecessary fats and carbs. Instead, opt for grilling, baking, or roasting. Season it with herbs and spices such as rosemary, paprika, or garlic for added flavor, without extra calories. Pair chicken breast with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or bell peppers to create a balanced, nutrient-rich meal. For example, a grilled chicken salad with fresh greens and a light vinaigrette can be both satisfying and diabetes-friendly. Comment grilled goodness if chicken breast is your go-to protein. Number 2, salmon. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are highly recommended for diabetics due to their high omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower the risk of heart disease, a common concern for people with diabetes. Additionally, salmon is a low glycemic food, meaning it provides a steady source of energy without causing spikes in blood sugar levels. Preparing salmon is easy and versatile. You can bake, grill, or pan-sear it with olive oil and fresh herbs like dill or parsley. Pair it with non-starchy vegetables such as asparagus, kale, or cauliflower to make a well-rounded, low-carb meal. For a satisfying dish, try grilled salmon served on a bed of steamed broccoli, or a leafy green salad with a drizzle of lemon dressing. Adding salmon to your diet regularly can help lower inflammation, improve heart health, and support better blood sugar management. Comment Omega Boost if you love adding salmon to your meals. Number 3, pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin is another excellent meat option for diabetics. This lean cut of pork is low in saturated fat, making it a healthier alternative to fattier cuts like bacon or sausages. The high-quality protein in pork tenderloin supports muscle repair and overall health while helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels, which often contains added sugars and unhealthy fats. Pork tenderloin is a clean, wholesome choice. This meat is highly versatile and can be prepared in many ways. Roasting, grilling, or slow cooking pork tenderloin are all great methods to retain its tenderness and flavor. Pair it with fiber-rich vegetables like spinach, zucchini, or cauliflower for a balanced meal. For example, you can make a dish of Parmesan-crusted pork medallions or slow-cooked pork tenderloin with herbs. By incorporating pork tenderloin into your diet, you'll enjoy a flavorful, satisfying protein source that supports diabetes management. Comment lean and clean if you're a fan of pork tenderloin. Number 4, filet mignon. While red meat should be consumed in moderation, lean cuts like filet mignon can still be part of a healthy diabetic diet. Filet mignon is a tender and flavorful option that is very low in fat compared to other cuts of red meat. It provides high-quality protein essential for muscle repair and energy regulation. When prepared correctly and enjoyed occasionally, filet mignon can be a satisfying choice without negatively impacting blood sugar levels. Number 5, skinless white meat turkey. Unprocessed turkey breast without the skin is another excellent choice for diabetics. It is low in fat, high in lean protein, and free from added sugars and sodium, often found in processed deli meats. Turkey breast is also rich in nutrients like niacin and selenium, which support your immune system and boost energy levels. Its low-calorie content makes it ideal for portion control and weight management, both of which are crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. For a healthy turkey dish, try roasting a seasoned turkey breast with fresh herbs and a touch of olive oil. Pair it with non-starchy vegetables like green beans or zucchini for a nutrient-packed meal. You can also use turkey breast in salads, soups, or sandwiches made with whole grain bread. By avoiding processed deli turkey and opting for fresh, skinless turkey breast, you can enjoy a nutritious and diabetes-friendly meal that supports heart health and blood sugar control. Comment turkey time if turkey breast is a staple in your diet. Number 6. Poultry. Poultry options like chicken and turkey are staples in many diabetic-friendly diets, but don't overlook duck as an alternative. While duck is higher in fat than chicken or turkey, it contains healthy fats that can benefit heart health when consumed in moderation. Duck is also rich in essential nutrients and offers a deeper flavor profile, making it a great option for special meals. When preparing duck, roasting is the best method to retain its moisture and flavor while minimizing added fats. Pair it with low-carb sides like cauliflower rice or roasted Brussels sprouts for a satisfying meal. For a creative twist, try making a dish like ginger-infused duck breast or a diabetes-friendly version of Peking duck. By incorporating poultry into your meals, you'll have a versatile, nutrient-rich protein source that supports blood sugar management. Comment feathered favorites if you've had chicken, turkey, or duck this week. Number 7. Organ meats. If you're an adventurous eater, organ meats like liver, kidney, and heart can be an incredibly nutritious addition to your diet. These meats are rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as essential minerals like iron and zinc. They also contain vitamin B12, which is crucial for energy production and nerve health. The high nutrient density of organ meats can help regulate blood sugar levels and support overall health. The high nutrient density of organ meats can help regulate blood sugar levels. Start by blending small amounts into ground beef for dishes like burgers or meatballs. For more experienced cooks, consider making liver pâté or incorporating organ meats into flavorful dishes like curries or chili. Pair organ meats with bold spices and low-carb vegetables to create a balanced, satisfying meal. Adding these nutrient-dense options to your diet can diversify your protein sources and enhance your diabetes management. Comment Organ Smart and make a significant difference in managing blood sugar levels and supporting a healthier lifestyle. From lean options like chicken and turkey to nutrient-packed choices like salmon and organ meats, each of these selections offers unique benefits for diabetics. By preparing these meats in healthy ways and pairing them with non-starchy vegetables, you can enjoy delicious, satisfying meals. Consult with your doctor or dietitian to ensure these options are right for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more natural tips and tricks. And if you've tried any of these in your diet or you're excited to give them a go, let me know in the comments below. For more health tips and remedies, check out the next video on the screen. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay glowing.